Bend, bend, pat yourself. No, I mean it. Once again, please pat yourself because nobody is going to do that for you. Do it every day. Do it every hour. Do it every minute. Because this is what we need and we keep seeking. Leadership, validation, approval. Promotion नहीं मिल रहा है, हाइक नहीं मिल रहा है. I have done so much, but I'm maternity gap हो गया. I'm not getting that. I've lost. Take this hand and pat yourself. That's it. Okay. So as an oncologist, what would you like to listen from me? Should I talk about cancer, the types of cancer, the treatment of cancer? No, no. I'm not going to talk to you about the cancer. I will talk to you about the real cancer. Are you ready? Yes. Because my dear friends, you will be amazed. The cancer जो आप सुनते हो, जो आप रोज सुनते हो ना, that is not the real cancer. That has treatment and it's treatable. Many of the cancers are curable. But the big cancer I want you to introduce today is actually very difficult. Do you want to know? The fear in our mind is the real cancer. Do you agree with me? Yes. Many of you are coaches. I had wonderful time here, sitting at so many round tables. Wonderful discussions. Everyone is some kind of coach. They are doing exemplary in their field. Why? Were they born powerful? I'm sure every one of you has come to this room. We're not born powerful. We all have a story. And we live our stories. Do you agree with me? Everybody has a story. And what story you are running in your mind is that. That's it. और कुछ नहीं है. कुछ भी नहीं है. What is the story running here? That makes your life. You live your stories. You live your meanings. So boss, what story is running in your mind? Can we all close our eyes for a second, for 2 seconds? Close your eyes and think. What are you thinking? It's a very powerful process. हम सोचना है कि क्या सोच रहे हैं. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि there are many ways to do. I mean, everybody knows yoga, pranayama, generally. So many ways of doing. So many tools, techniques. One thing I'll tell you to do. सुनना चाहते हैं? Do you want to know one thing that is so easy? मतलब बोलते हैं ना, नमक, the salt. नहीं है तो बस कुछ नहीं, मजा नहीं आएगा. You'll not get the taste in life if the salt is missing. So what is the tool? That is the ground rule. I'm a poet also, so it comes like this. So what is the tool which is the ground rule in everything? Don't do anything. Sit with yourself. And again, take your right hand out. Right hand up and to your heart. Close your eyes for 15 seconds and देखो वो धड़क रहा है? धड़क. Is it? Can you feel that heartbeat? That is you. You are not your woman, man, leader, employer, doctor, business, coach, और क्या है? Property, bungalow, साड़ी, jewelry. कुछ नहीं है. This is you. So, don't look at the role. Look at the soul. Because who are we beyond man and women? Yes. We can go on and on. I mean, the debate was really nice and all. But who are we? We are that heartbeat. Touch किया? Feel किया? Did you feel? Yes. Did you feel? वही है हम. And as a doctor, how is the ECG? ECG वो जो दिखता है, movies में भी दिखता है. Tang 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 tang. How is the ECG? Is it a flat line? It open it. Flat line is good or open it is good. What is good? अरे flat line हो गया तो गया. Game over. Right? It won't work. So in our lives, everything is good. Magnet. I'll give you 1 crore rupees. Anyone take a challenge. 1 crore rupees from me, Dr. Poonam. I challenge. Give a magnet and cut it. You can cut any number of times and give me only the positive pole of the magnet. दे दो. दे सकते हो? कैन यू कट अ मैग्नेट एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स एंड गिव मी ओनली द पॉजिटिव पोल? नहीं, मुझे अच्छा ही चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट द पावर, I want the money, I want the name, I want everything perfect and good in my life. Why? Nature is also not perfect. There is day and night. There is positive and negative. You can never get rid of the duality. We are dual in nature. So if self-doubt is there, it's good. If fear is there, it's good. And one more thing. Fear is good or bad? अभी मैंने पूछा तो good हो गया ना, it cannot be bad. Fear is good. Why? Because fear is your gear. Wherever you are afraid of, wherever you are fearing, that's the place that we need to work. Do you get afraid or do you get fearful when you go for shopping or go for Netflix, movie देखना है? Do you get fearful at those areas? इसमें तो फटाफट हो जाता है. Where do you get fearful? When you have to start a new business, when you have to think about a new strategy, because that's the area of your growth. Whenever you are in comfort zone, there is no fear. खाना बनाओ, रोटी पकाओ, सब्जी काटो, there is no fear. But when you have to do meaningful things in life, the purpose, the passion, that's when fear comes. So fear is good because it is your GPS. It is your soul's GPS directing you कि boss काम यही करना है. Got it? So okay, I am also the founder of Inner MBBS, and why I founded it was 2 years back. The Inner MBBS is also a book on Amazon written by me. World record author of the book, and Inner MBBS was developed with a mission to empower people to take charge of their life. What does it mean, Inner MBBS? It's the inner doctor within you. Okay, I am an outside doctor. मैं बाहर खड़ी हूँ. I am an outside doctor. I give treatment to your disease. Like, and I am an oncologist. I treat patients, cancer, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, chemotherapy. There's so much advancements, right? I do the treatments. But I do the treatment. I give medicine for your disease. Is there any doctor, medicine, hospital for your health? किसकी जिम्मेदारी है? Yeah. So similarly, there is an inner doctor within all of us who takes care of our health. But are we listening? We've forgotten. So all we have to do is what? Nothing. We have to be in silence and listen. What is our body speaking? Because you know, undiagnosed. Why cancers are coming in late stages? Because सुन नहीं रहे हैं. हाँ, जाने दो, acidity है, ये है. We are neglecting the call. When you are not attentive to the nature's call, it is speaking. Your body is speaking to you, but we are not listening, and that's where it gets late. So we just have to be with ourselves. So Inner MBBS is the inner doctor within to empower every one of us that healing is not with medicine. Healing is within. Healing is within, and that is mind, body, breath, soul. Because there is no one right thing. मेरा 6, आपका 9. मेरा भी right, आपका right. We are fighting about what is right, what is wrong. But there is no right and wrong. सब right है. गिरना भी right है. Breakdown भी right है. But breakdown में down नहीं जाना है. Breakdown से breakthrough. Breakdown से breakthrough from pain. Pain is good. COVID आया. What was the benefit of COVID? Everybody started kada, steam inhalation, taking care of their health. Did we ever take care of our health in our life? Post COVID, everybody has become health conscious. Was a blessing. Everything is a blessing.